God jul alle sammen! Merry Christmas everyone, and thank you for joining Giants of the Earth Heritage Center for our first ever virtual Juletræfest. It was a wonderful month-long celebration with tons of videos on a variety of subjects. Thank you so much to everyone that helped participate in making the videos. We appreciate you so very much. Thank you so much to the Giants board, to Katie O'Regan, Elyse Storlie, and everyone for being here with us this December. We hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a godt nytt år, good new year. Ha det!
Stina's right, we had a magical Christmas, didn't we? And now you're gonna learn one more fun craft from Norway.
Hi, I'm Elyse Storlie. Happy Julekalender. I'm going to teach you how to make Norwegian woven heart baskets and also a simpler version. Alright, for this one you're going to need two pieces and something to use for a handle. You're going to start out by taking the top one and the top one and putting one inside the other. And then the other one goes inside, kind of like weaving, but, and then for the last one, it will go the same as the first one. So as you can see, that kind of holds itself together. For the second one, you're going to follow the opposite process. So you'll go inside first with the one you're working with, and then outside, and then inside again, as you're doing this, you're going to want to make it snug at the top so that you have room to work. And then do the last one exactly like the first one. So we're going to go outside, and then we're going to go inside. This one you got to be a little careful with because there's not a ton of room left, but that's how it gets held together. And outside again. There's no particular order to this, I just like to start at the top. Just feed that one back through. And as you can see, we have a woven heart. So you can just snug it up. It should be woven on both sides. And then we're going to attach the handle. So for this, you're just going to fold it in half. Take a little bit of glue and glue this side here and this side here. And then you have a beautiful woven heart ornament that you can put things inside. It works like a basket. You could make your own with whatever wrapping paper you want, or however many woven pieces if you get good at it. Best of luck. I'll show you the next one in the next bit. Alright, so this one's even simpler. All you need are 2 circles and something for the handle. Also a glue stick, tape, glue. Glue sticks are probably easiest, but I'm going to use tape because I don't have a glue stick. Alright, to start off, you're going to fold both these circles in half. It doesn't have to be perfect by any means, but as best as you can get it. And then you're going to pretty much take one piece, just pretend it's glue, and put glue or tape or whatever on both sides. And then you're going to put the one with the sticky on it inside the other one so that you line up the bottom corners at about a 90-degree angle. And as you can see, just like that, you have a heart basket. Then all you gotta do, if you want to hang it on the tree or give it to someone or whatever, is take the handle piece, fold it in half, and just like the other one, you are going to attach it inside. I did it wrong, but let's pretend. Just on the inside, so now you have a basket. Since Yule Tree Fest has been happening, I've gone and I've kind of gotten to grow up and learn some of the crafts, and eventually I started teaching this one in person most years, and so it's really fun to be able to show you guys how to do it the way we can. I hope everyone is having a very safe and happy holidays. God jul!
God jul, friends near and far. This is Elyse Storlie, and I just wanted to thank you on behalf of Giants of the Earth Heritage Center in Spring Grove, Minnesota, for joining us for this month of Julekalender fun. We hope that you've enjoyed the many baking episodes, the history and stories that came out of this project, and of course the crafts and the love of Scandinavian Christmas heritage and traditions from both our motherlands and our local community. Holiday blessings to you all, og godt nytt år from Spring Grove, Minnesota, with love.
Jeg så glad ved jul I kveld, for da ble Jesus født. Da lyste stjernen som en sol, og engler sang så søtt. Det lille barn I Betlehem, han var en kørestor som kom fra himmelens høye slott, ned til vår arme jord.
Are you ready? Glade jul, hellige jul, engledalen du skjul. Hidde fleve med paradisgrønt, hvor det ser hvorfor Gud skjønt. Landlig iblant oss går, landlig iblant oss går.
Du grønne, glitrende tre, god dag. Velkommen du som vi ser så gjerne, med julelys og med norske flagg. Og høyt I toppen den blanke stjerne, ja, den må skinne, for den skal minne. Ja, den må skinne, for den skal minne oss om vår Gud, oss om vår Gud.
Stille senker natten seg over deg og over meg. Snøen faller, alt hvitt. Se så vakkert alt blitt. Snart julen her på ny, I hver bygd og I hver by. La 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 la. Jorden snurrer rundt seg selv, lys blir mørke, dag blir kveld. Rekk meg hånden, kjære venn, la ditt øye gli igjen. håpsbånd, varmen går fra hånd til hånd.
På låven sitter nissen med sin julegrøt, så god og søt, så god og søt. Han nikker og han smiler og han så glad, for julegrøten vil han gjerne ha. Og rundt omkring står alle de små rotter, og de skotter, og de skotter. De vil så gjerne ha litt julegodter, og de danser, danser rundt i ring.